Alright, for today, we're gonna be trying out this new keyboard I ordered off of Amazon. Let's see what it looks like, and then we're gonna hop into a ranked game and play that. Alright. Got the keycap holder right here. Got the keycap holder. The extra switches. Cord, obviously. Bag. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's all white, but actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna plug this in, and we're gonna see how it sounds.
This is what it looks like. Put it on. I'm gonna do a sound test right quick.
See how it sounds.
So, get this thing. Alright. Ready?
Yo, it sounds so good. Oh
God, bro, what is this?
I got another how to change the color.
Oh,
just it. So I got all these different ones. That's very cool. Well, while I'm using this keyboard, probably see Probably gonna see this one a lot. I might change it up. Also has the RGB on the side, obviously. RGB on the side. Just so you know, they're where the Omni point switches. These are the switches. Alright. So let's go to this video. I don't know why my mic wants me to put it so close up to my lip. Nah, fuck the best player. This polarized white one of these. The fact that I almost lost out is I'm an insane person. Look at the person's life. Who can appreciate this much as No! I told you! Musty! I haven't showered in days. I just didn't shower today. Please! Why do they hurt? Oh my! Guys! If I win, I get 20 gifted, I win. No, not even 20 gifted. I want 100 gifted right now. I want it, and if you don't have it, you can lick my balls. But I hate being on slow ground. Nah. I died. I got. Oh my god! And that's what. Go ahead and pay up.
Yeah, got my. He don't even walk cause I saw us going with him. That's the scene talking to him.
Score. You're all cooked. Right here. Right up. Just come right over. Touch the wall. That's not hot. Hey, for real. Sorry. Never do that again. I'm sorry. I died.
Why is the whole map coming from me? You guys need to get your fucking shit together.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I just flushed right near my ear.
That nigga that smokes too much weed does 6ix9ine with his mom.
Nigga, your eyes get better, nigga.
You're right.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. You get better.
Nigga, I ain't about to shit on you, nigga. Watch. Watch, you about to hit a clip too. Listen,
Yo, you sound fucking autistic, ugly asshole. Like, damn, shut up.
I just walked into war.
Yeah, someone said.
Wait, hold on.
What?
I didn't
No. I know.
I think I got Nobody wants to hop off.
I just don't feel like going. I didn't call you ass, bro. That was me playing against you. That wasn't him. Hello. Go, no. I said no.
Wow, guys. Bro, it was polarized. Word. I died of polarized. Britannia's hero. Look at this, guys. I died to Britannia's hero.
Stand down! Stand down!
Alright, game. I'm moving my keyboard for the time being. I got What? Pete! You're a pup. I'm a pit. I'm a pit. Sit down. Where's the shit yet? Who's ass now?
Watch how you talk, nigga.
Alright,
listen. I'm too much. Alright,
I'm
I'm
just gonna come out and say,
my
my friend
just
just started playing GTA.
I don't get how
the fuck
you
you
just
just
started
started playing
GTA,
GTA,
and it's
and
been
it's been out
for
for
like
like
what?
since
Since 2018?
2018.
How you
How you
just
now
now
playing that?
I
I was playing that since I was 5.
So
So it's kind of sad. Also,
that
that
nigga
nigga
get
get
no hoes. If
If your name is Landon,
no
no
hoes.
hoes.
Your
Your
meat is dry
as hell.
No
No
hoes.
hoes.
I got
I got
this
this friend
named
named
Landon.
Landon.
Word.
Word.
Let me
Let
tell
me
you
tell you
something.
something.
On my
On my
iPad.
iPad.
This
This
is
is
extra.
extra.
I got
I
more.
got bored.
Bros.
Hold on, let it. Bro's name is no girls Landon.
Bro, I have to name him that. Bro is really out here stealing my eyes only. It's crazy. Y'all wanna see what he look like? I got you. This is a sad sight to see. Word. Shit. Wow. I don't have a picture of him. That nigga said that ugly about my screen. But I will make that streaming video that montage. And second, I will make more videos like these. Probably more with my friends like Mike and probably Landon. That nigga's out there playing GTA online with no cap. The story mode hasn't even been done, so it's kind of sad. My cousin, Khalil, another niggas. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Let it get no hoes.